talking much. I want it to be more of an interactive session. Is that gonna be fine with you all? This, if you guys, yeah, absolutely, right? Yeah, and then if you guys बीच में अगर किसी को भी कुछ पूछना है,
yes, exactly where I was coming to, and
yeah,
I could stop you and ask you.
Perfect, perfect. For any questions you guys have in the middle, anything you guys want to add on, please go ahead. So basically, what is art? My basic question. You guys are artists, most of you all. I consider art to be something very different. But what do you guys think? What art is? Anyone?
Creation.
Very good. I like that term.
Creation of beauty, of everything.
Amazing, amazing. Anyone from here?
She's an artist. But what do you think art is? What do you want to express?
Creativity.
Okay, that's a good one.
What is that? What else? What other
Oh,
emotions?
very nice. Feelings, creativity, feelings.
What else? It can be.
Yeah, it's so bad. Emotions. Okay, good.
Emotions are divided up, which will include a lot of stuff like pain, suffering, longing.
Amazing.
Basically, it's the expression of everything you can include.
Amazing. You guys, everyone mentioned their own perspective of what they think art is. You guys, एक जुमला मैं सुनना चाहता. I was trying to hope कि कोई एक word आ जाएगा, वो नहीं आया. हाँ, वो तो चलो मेरा, it's my background, right? So, do you guys think art is a science? It is a science. It is definitely a science, isn't it? हमारे यहाँ usually ये होता है, it's art or science. It's separated.
Yeah.
It is not true. Modern cognitive neuroscience mentions that everything, every aspect of art is basic science. It is related to physics. It is related to human emotions, biology. It is related to chemistry, biochemistry, which are the neurotransmitters. Everyone of us has neurotransmitters inside our brains. What are neurotransmitters? Neurotransmitters are those power cells which make that, for instance, they help you feel good, they help you feel motivated, they help you feel there's serotonin, there's dopamine, there's GABA, which is gamma aminobutyric acid, and then norepinephrine. So all of these are different neurotransmitters, and what they do, they help inside our body to release hormones. Hormones are also chemicals. Chemicals in the sense that, for instance, there's oxytocin, please. There's dopamine, there's oxytocin, there's cortisol. Up to better relax within something. So there's oxytocin, there is cortisol. Cortisol is the stress hormone.
Absolutely.
And a lot of the people, if they are on different drugs, for instance, a lot of the people, if they abuse drugs, their cortisol levels are extremely high. Having a cigarette, having shisha, something like that. The cortisol, or even just in a situation where there's, a stressful environment. And cortisol is related to research. It says most of the cases for cardiac arrest, they include excessive cortisol inside the body. So you need to be very mindful. And there are ways for all of these things, for all these metaphysical things that I'm actually mentioning right now. We can control these through art. Art is that science. It is a science. Right now, the domain which I'm working on basically is the mental health domain in Pakistan. I'm trying to serve the community as much as I can. And what I've seen, मैंने ये देखा है कि art को जब आप लोगों के अंदर, for instance, it could be anything. Art could be what you guys did here. Art could be listening, auditory sound. It could be listening to music. It could be listening to even Quranic recitations. All of these are also parts of art. What happens? So what I did, I tried to do some experiments with people. We were giving people auditory stimuli. Auditory stimuli, it could be binaural beats. Binaural beats क्या होते हैं? Binaural beats होते हैं कि you're getting two different hypotonic tones हो गई हैं. उससे क्या होता है कि आपका जो brain है, जो आपकी main cranial nerves जाती हैं. So you have 12 cranial nerves inside the brain. Two of the main ones, the olfactory, so which is from the going to the nose, that is related to aroma, and the other one is related to the ear. जब आप सुनते हो कोई चीज, it directly connects to your brain. It directly releases those hormones, those neurotransmitters. अब उससे क्या होता है कि आप लोगों का stress level कम हो जाता है. There is research. There is actually now we have so much evidence. There's papers published. अभी हम लोग we did a workshop in the DHS Supply University and also Greenwich University and Greenwich College. वहाँ पर भी we gave people different forms of art. Basically, we were giving them binaural beats. We were giving them canvases in which they had to paint. What happened was when they painted and when they did that, we did a questionnaire before and after. It is called the PANAS canvas. उसमें जो पहले की उनकी feelings थे, I have evaluated the data. जो पहले they were feeling nervous, a lot of them were jittery, they had anxiety. After that, जब हमने उनको दिया, उन्होंने कुछ भी नहीं किया. हमने उनको कहा अगर 1 घंटा है, पेंट्स आपको दे दिए, कैनवस का पेंट करें. हमने उनको साउंड सुनवाया. उस साउंड सुनने के बाद और उस पेंट के बाद, उन majority of the people, almost 85% of the people, had a reduction in their stress level, and they had a feeling of euphoria. They started feeling happy. They started feeling good. Without medications, this doesn't include anything. So basically, what we say now in this field, so I've worked with Concussion Management Clinic, it's in New York, it's headed by Dr. John Giletti and Dr. Barry Spiller. Uske andar bhi, what we've described these different forms to be, even exercise, to be medicine for the brain. अब जिस तरह से बहुत सारे ऐसे पेशेंट्स आते हैं जिनको सर पे सिवियर ट्रॉमा होता है. ट्रॉमा क्या होता है? सर पे चोट लगना, कोमा में चले जाते हैं, वापस आते हैं, तो उनकी रिहेबिलिटेशन होती है. जरूरी नहीं है कि कोमा में जाएं. सर पे कंकशन हुआ है, बेड रिडन होते हैं. रिसर्च अब ये प्रूव कर रही है, हम लोग उनको, जो लोगों ने 1 साल में ठीक होना था, बिस्तर से उठना था, उनको हम लोग आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कर 4 महीने 5 महीने के अंदर they're back on their feet. How? Through exercise, through these different forms of, I would say this is also a part of art. Exercise is also an art. So coming back to the main topic, but this is just something I wanted to mention earlier so that you guys have a mind about what I'm going to talk about. It's about exploration of soul through form and how this day-to-day life we experience neuroscience. तो मुझे बता सकते हैं neuroscience क्या है? What is neuroscience? It's a relatively very new field. So anyone? It does, yes. It has cognitive part of it. But what do you guys understand by the term neuroscience?
Study of brain.
Perfect. The basic simple answer is just the study of the human brain. अब मैं बोलूँ, what is psychology? What would you answer?
Study of behaviors.
Very nice. The behaviors come from the brain.
Do they?
Asking you guys. Asking you guys. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be.
I would say it's
Okay.
maybe.
Anyone else? What are behaviors? Let's talk on this because I want you guys to get to the terms. हमारे यहाँ भी, even in the field of basic medicine, people are, especially in Pakistan, they do not know, which is very sad. Like their experience as I was associated with a lot of different doctors here as well. I was baffled by the way they thought about these things, unfortunately. So anyone, what behaviors?
It could be behaviors, could be emulated, copied, inherited, genetic, and also.
Very nice. I like the term genetic as well.
Yes. Again, you have bias. You have a mental bias.
Do they always come from the brain? Do they come from the brain?
No, I think they could also be acquired from this observing people, observation.
Yeah, but where do behaviors come
Is what
from? Okay.
I
And wait, how do we, as for instance, it's हमारी body है, सही है. I know मेरी body के अंदर सबसे बड़ा जो मेरा organ है, हमारा organ सबसे बड़ा skin है. एक ज़माने में liver कहते थे, वो भी बता. Skin is an organ.
Yeah.
Or a lot of the doctors here, they still say, पूछो जाके क्या है बड़ा organ, क्या liver है. Skin is the largest organ of our body. हम skin से की चीज, for instance, yeah, I'm touching stuff. I can feel sensations. I can feel these sensations. These sensations are gone in my brain. I'm perceiving them. That's sensation, perception, and then the third one is action.
Then you
This
got
calls
sensory
for
perception.
yeah, sensation, perception, and action. So this is actually a topic. It's a course which is also taught in the field. It's called sensations, perceptions, and actions. What happens is my skin is embedded by neurons. We have intermediate neurons, we have motor neurons. They go in a split second, they go into the brain, they come back, they give the signal कि ठीक है कोई चीज टच हो रही है. इतनी कम टाइम में पता चल जाता है कि हाँ कुछ. This the stimuli is touching. For instance, this ring is touching. Everything. ये जब हो रहा है इसके साथ साथ मेरे ब्रेन के दो डिफरेंट डायनामिक्स. CNS, which is the central nervous system, and then the other PNS, which is the peripheral nervous system. Central nervous system में दो चीजें आ गई, ब्रेन आ गया और स्पाइन आ गया. Peripheral nervous system के बाद जो बाकी पूरी बॉडी में एक ऑटोनॉमस CNS है, ऑटोनॉमस nervous system. क्या हो रहा है? ये हो रहा है ना, एक सेकंड में जब हाँ बता रहा है हाँ भाई तुम्हारी बॉडी को टच कर रही है. इसी दौरान बिलियंस ऑफ प्रोसेसेस हो रहे हैं. हार्ट बीट हो रहा है, अंदर से थॉट प्रोसेसिंग होती है, मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि मेरा अगला जुमला क्या बोलना है. ये सब कुछ मिलियंस ऑफ सेकंड में हो रहा है. उन्हें करीब ये आँख पर रोशनी आ रही है, जो रोशनी देख रही है इन्वर्टेड इमेज आती है दिमाग पे, वो फ्लिप करता है. ये तो हमने बचपन में सबने पढ़ा ही होगा 5वीं क्लास में. ये सब कुछ नाक स्मेल कर रही है, हाँ मेरी कौन सा प्रोडक्ट चल रहा है. All of this is happening. Every single process is happening less than a million. This is what we call the study of neuroscience. Looking at things from that lens. अब बंदा बोले, brain तो पता चल गया क्या, ये सारा कुछ कर रहा है. एक किस्म का हिस्सा है कि बंदा चला जाए move करके देखो, it is bold to say. What is the human mind?
I would want
You're going towards the right track. Yeah, but I would.
I'm not getting
I can understand. Millions of us. Everyone should just try. अच्छा, हम लोग तो कंप्यूटर पता है. इस तरह से इमेजिन कर लें कि ब्रेन का जो हार्डवेयर है वो तुम्हारा ये फ्लो थोड़ा उसका जो सॉफ्टवेयर आप कहना चाहोगे वो आप कह लो कि ठीक है वो माइंड. मगर माइंड क्या दिमाग के अंदर है? लोग कहते हैं कि दिल से सोचो. दिल कहाँ है? दिल है ये गुड. She came to the point where I wanted to get soul soul आ गए. मजे की बात सुने. Modern scientists जो थे अब तो मैं उनको नहीं कहूँगा कि अब ये बोलो तो सोल में साइंस के बीच नहीं. कैसे हम उनको करते हैं? कहेंगे कि सोल तो है ही, थिएटर पे बंदे को चला रहे हैं, लेकिन सारा कुछ चल रहा है लेकिन इंसान फिर भी चला जाता है.
But what relates is you see like when you read a religion, religion, there's a verse like Allah Ta'ala firmata है हमारे चेहरे के बिन.
Beautiful.
और ये अत्यंत
Abdul Walid.
the soul है. That's what constitutes everything, which is actually trying to whatever you're putting down on paper or what you're imagining, what you're talking about, it's different from the mind and it's different from the heart.
Beautiful. I would agree with that. So the words she said is mentioned in the Quran. That God is Abdul Walid is the jugular vein, which is the ये सही को मतलब that is the vein of life. उस vein से भी ज़्यादा God is behind most of it. So
या रेटिकुलर जो कह रहा है जिसको हम लोग अरबी में हाफिज कहते हैं। ये पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट सब तक मेंशन करने का ये है कि देयर इज समथिंग बियॉन्ड दिस फिजिकल फॉर्म ऑफ अस ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, जो कि चीजें और इस बॉडी के अलावा भी होती हैं। व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज द सोल, द ह्यूमन सोल। साइंस में एक डिलेमा है, ये आयरनी है आपको। साइकोलॉजी का जो लिटरल मीनिंग है, इसका मतलब है साइक इज अ ग्रीक वर्ड। इसका जो लिटरल मीनिंग है, इट मींस सोल, एंड साइकोलॉजी मींस द स्टडी ऑफ द सोल। और साइकाइट्री is the psych, soul, iatry, medicine of the soul. And the irony is that modern medicine says that हम unable to quantify, हम लोग quantify नहीं कर सकते soul को, इसीलिए इस चीज में हम नहीं हैं।
So they don't.
Yes,
You
absolutely.
see, हम लोगों को इसलिए यकीन है कि हम कुरान शरीफ को बार-बार उसको ट्रांसलेशन के साथ पढ़ते हैं।
सही बात है।
And you cannot understand it or even get near it unless your soul is in it.
Absolutely, I would agree with that. So our basic soul जो है इंसान का जो जिस्म है, इसके अंदर जो soul है, we know कि as Muslims इंसान का जिस्म ज़मीन से आया था and it goes back to God. The soul came from God Himself. That is why it goes back to where it is. So वो जो different एक जो soul की कोई study है, अब इस study को आप क्या कहते हो? उसको आप spirituality या spiritualism कहते हो। Spirituality की literal definition किसी को पता है? Oxford की with the sacred. It says connection with the sacred. आपको sacred में for different religions and for different humans वो एक different dynamics. For instance, a Jew would be considering his spirituality to be different. Hindu would be considering his or her spirituality to be different. Us, for me, I'm a Muslim and I'm a proud Muslim. हम लोग का एक spirituality का जो domain है, that is completely beyond.
नफ्स जो है, नफ्स लवामा, नफ्स मुतमइन्ना, यानी जो इंसान का जो बिल्कुल मुतमइन, एब्सोल्युटली दैट नफ्स लवामा, तीन उन जो लोग अरबी समझते हैं उनको बाकायदा समझते हैं। लवामा होता है जो बार बार मलामत, इंसान को बार बार जो किसी पर ही
Self reflection.
वो तीनों जो नफ्स मुतमइन्ना, नफ्स लवामा और थर्ड वन वाज नफ्स अम्मारा। So these three of these are complete उसने छापा है। I personally think, and there's a lot of scholars as well, जो कहते हैं कि उसने बाकायदा he took those concepts from the Muslim books, which were translated as well. तो उसने वो पूरा psychoanalytical पूरी psychology आजकल segment point किए गए हैं, उसमें revolve कर रही होती है। So anyways, Allah already mentioned these three things to us.
Basically, everything was originally revealed पहले.
Absolutely.
तो अब science जिसको prove कर रहा है.
I agree with that. And you know what? People are very fascinated when I tell them that before going, I'll keep this not even a talk, I'll just keep this as a conversation with you guys. Before going to the US, like, I was fortunate enough to have been born in a Muslim family. So I was Muslim by chance. I studied different religions, I studied the Old Testament, which is the Torah. I studied the New Testament, which is the Injil. I studied the Hindu scriptures as well, the Mahabharata, Manusmriti. They have 4 Vedas, Yajurved, Samved, Atharvaved, and Rigved. Yeah. So there's those Vedas as well. And then I studied the Manusmriti, Puranas, Upanishads. Yeah, I studied them.
One question.
Yeah.
Tell me something. What difference did you find in the
Nothing.
Hindu religion? They are more into form. Yeah, we are more
I'll
into
tell
soul.
you. Beautiful question, and I'll just answer. The difference I found at the end was that all of these different major religions of the world, they all talked about one higher power.
They intersect at one point.
They all converge, and what happened? I was like, okay, fine. The Quran ko I'll keep for me at the end, because obviously that or many biases are changing. I wanted to be an unbiased, neutral opinion on all. What I did after studying all of them, comparative religion, then I studied the Quran at the end. And all pointed me. There was like this सब कुछ मुझे इशारा करते कि ये they're all coming to the end. और वो कुरान उनका जो एक end में जो summary होती है ना हर चीज की, I found that they all pointed towards the Quran and they all converged. You said that's the word I would use in one higher power. For me, what surprised me was Hinduism because I see my friends they would tell me यार ये है ये वाला ये है ये वाला ये है. But eventually जब उनकी किताबें देखी इसमें it talks about there's one God, none besides. And then it says 3 times, none besides, none besides, none besides.
And also the Buddhism.
Buddhism में Hinayama, Mahanama, those two. जैसे हमारे यहाँ है ना Muslims में भी divisions. इस तरह उनके Hinayama and Mahayama. You study both of them. They all talk about when.
And in the Buddhism जब वो बैठा था अपने
Gautam Buddha.
yeah. तो वो in dwell कर रहा था कि
The one.
I'm going to take you back into another science. Yes, I might. Something to a little bit to do with life. What about Stephen Hawking?
Hawkins, yes. That's a very. I'll tell you, Hawkins. Yeah.
Hawkins came to a certain point,
Yeah.
and he's like, "इसके बाद मुझे नहीं मालूम."
He says, I do not have enough evidence with me in science to deny or prove. Like, वो उसने दोनों चीजें. But he said first to deny the creation or
So
to
in
deny.
जगह पे he came and got stumped.
And there is
was
no
a
way he could
gentleman,
have.
the other gentleman who was very into the hour of the night, which is 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
With Tesla in his mathematics. You're born into Tesla.
Yeah,
Nikola Tesla.
हाँ, उसने कहा कि मैथमेटिक्स 3 बजे रात जिस पर से
He was writing. I know one thing that वो अपनी माँ को जो when he got to know about his mother that she was ill and then he was working on something. He actually became a monotheist. And it's surprisingly, oh my goodness, I went through some of the archives in the library. I don't know why this information is not on Google or हमारे भी होते Google type किया आ गया सब. BS, like it's not true. For you guys, for everyone to acquire actual knowledge, you have to sit in those libraries जहाँ पे उस ज़माने की किताबें पढ़ी हुई हैं.
Assalamualaikum. This is also Inspect, and this is my 4th show जो मैं करती हूँ media arts. And मेरा जो topic है that is good art. और मेरा genre abstract है, but genre के अलावा जो मेरा focus होता है वो ये होता है कि जो message है वो लोगों तक पहुँचाए, which is kind of protest against bull art. Protest against bullfighting through bull art. ठीक है. और मेरी पेंटिंग्स में आप देख सकते हैं कि बुल्स काफ़ी अनकम्फर्टेबल सी एक हेल्पलेस सी कैफियत में है. Basically, what I try to show is their agony, their aggression, their pain through my work. And मेरी पेंटिंग में आप देख सकते हैं कि जो वाइब्रेंस है बुल की वाइटलिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, और जो उनकी जो तकलीफ है, जो उनका पेन है, मैं वो फील कर सकती हूँ. एंड आई होप कि मेरा मैसेज जो है वो काफ़ी दूर तक जाए. Like overseas you see them entertaining crowds with bullfighting games, और उसको बहुत inflict करते हैं, तकलीफ देते हैं, which I strongly condemn. And every single painting, it's not scary कि आपने क्या बना दिया. It's not scary. Basically, it's the medium जहाँ पे इनका pain show करती हूँ audience पे. How they are bleeding, how they are suffering, and I hope we could ever stop this. So this is my message. जो मैं convey करना चाहती हूँ. उसमें जो टेक्सचर आप देखते हैं वो इनकी स्ट्रेंथ को, इनकी जो सुपीरियरिटी है उसको रिप्रेजेंट करता है, उसको एनहांस करता है. और इसमें बहुत कुछ है which you can see. And there is a lot of colors, because colors आपके emotions को represent करते हैं. And my paintings are full of expressions every time. So here there are 2 bulls which are not basically fighting, but they are so ferocious and so furious. They're already injured, they're already provoked through the act of बुल फाइटिंग और इस तरह से जो है रिचुअल्स होते हैं जहाँ पे उनको डिसग्रेस किया जाता है और उनको अब्यूज किया जाता है। सो आई होप मैसेज क्लियर होता जाए और जैसे जैसे मेरा काम आगे बढ़ता जाएगा तो मेरा मैसेज भी आगे पहुँचता जाएगा। So let's hope for the best. And the show was very good over here. We had a discussion regarding neuroscience, of explorations of soul through form, through art, through different kinds of media. To say soul की feelings या expressions को show किया जा सकता है, किया जा सकता है. And we had a great session with Mr. Sabhan here. So ultimately,
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम अरीबा दानियाल है और ये है मेरी 3 पेंटिंग्स जिसमें मुझे व्हीकल का बहुत शौक़ है। तो मुझे साइकिल का अचानक से इंस्पिरेशन हुई और इससे मुझे जैसे मॉडलिंग पेज से जो ये जो 3D फ्लावर्स हैं ये मेरे ख़ुद के आइडियाज़ हैं और जैसे ये भी वैसे मॉडलिंग पेज का मुझे ज़्यादा शौक़ है। ज़्यादातर मैं चाहती हूँ कि फ़्लावर्स ऐड करती हूँ और ज़्यादातर मैं रंग का बहुत इस्तेमाल करती हूँ और मुझे रियल लाइफ का भी बहुत शौक़ है। ज़्यादातर मैं एक्रेलिक की तरफ आती हूँ। एक्रेलिक ज़्यादा जो होता है, एक्रेलिक में ज़्यादा टाइम 30 मिनट्स लगते हैं सूखने में और जो ऑयल होता है उसमें बहुत दिन लग जाते हैं। तो ऑयल में ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है और एक्रेलिक मेरे लिए आसान है। तो एक्रेलिक मैंने इन दोनों को चुना और फ्लावर्स जो हैं वो मेरे मेन थीम है।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं अपनी पेंटिंग के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ। तो मेरे पेंटिंग में एक मूवमेंट है एब्स्ट्रैक्ट ऑक्यूबिज्म फॉर्म में। जैसे मैं इसको दिखाना चाह रहा हूँ कि कुछ लोग ग्रुप डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं, कुछ लोग खड़े हुए हैं, कुछ लोग बैठे हुए हैं। तो ये वहाँ पर अभी आपा मंजूर राही के स्टाइल से अपना स्टाइल निकाला है। उनके स्टाइल को मैंने काफ़ी लाइक करके अपना स्टाइल निकाला है उनके स्टाइल से। तो ग्रुप डिस्कशन जस्ट लाइक कर रहे हैं लोग, एक एब्स्ट्रैक्ट फॉर्म में निकाला है मैंने। ओके, थैंक यू, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।